Hey guys, welcome to Platform Guides by Kryptos. In this video, we will be integrating a blockchain address and an exchange account in a few simple steps. So let's get right into it. First things first, sign up using your Google account. And once you're done signing up or signing in, you will be automatically taken to app.kryptos.io/dashboard. Now from the menu on the left hand side, go to wallet/exchanges, and in the search bar, you have to look for your preferred blockchain. In this video, we will be integrating one of our Ethereum addresses. So let's look for Ethereum. On this integration dialog box, you will see various parameters such as wallet name, your blockchain address, and a few advanced options. You will see a set of instructions on the right hand side, and if you feel confused or stuck anywhere, you can simply check out our video guide. So let's put in our wallet address and name our wallet as well. Alright, so before we proceed further, I want to draw your attention into one feature which is exclusively on Kryptos. It's called the automatic EVM detection. So if you have an Ethereum wallet and you have interacted with multiple layer 2 blockchains, we will be automatically detecting all of the blockchains that you have interacted with, and you can choose to synchronize them with your Ethereum wallet altogether. Now this will allow you to manage your blockchain portfolio better and file your taxes without any hassle, and you would not have to integrate all these layer 2 blockchains separately if you are using the same EVM wallet address. Now down here under advanced options, you will see an option to import the entire transaction data, or you can choose to import your transaction from a certain specific time frame. Now once you're done putting in everything and once you're done selecting all the EVMs, as a next step, you got to click on import your transactions. Now sit back and relax while Kryptos synchronizes with the blockchain data, which will hardly take a couple of minutes depending upon the number of transactions you have. Also remember guys, we support 3000 DeFi protocols all across various EVMs, layer 1s, layer 2s, which will allow you to manage your portfolio efficiently. Once Kryptos is done synchronizing with all of your transactions, you can head on to the transaction tab under menu and take a look at all of your transactions categorized coming from all the EVMs that you just integrated. Now we'll be covering all the transaction types in a separate platform guide video, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with all the crypto compliance news and exciting upcoming features and giveaways from Kryptos. Alright, so this is how you sync a blockchain wallet address on Kryptos. Now let's take a look at synchronizing a crypto exchange to Kryptos. So for this video, we will be syncing our Binance account with Kryptos. Once again, go to wallets and exchanges, and in the search bar, look for your favorite exchange, in this case, Binance. You'll see you have two ways to integrate an exchange account. It's going to be uploading a CSV file or using the API keys. Now all the set of instructions will be given to you depending on the method that you choose. In this video, we are going to be importing using the API keys. Once again, if you feel stuck anywhere, you can simply refer to our video guide. Now steps to generate an API key are pretty simple, and you can navigate to the links down in the description below to check out all the integration guides for Binance as well. Now creating an API key is definitely not a complex process at all, and we have a pretty comprehensive guide on creating an API key on your Binance account. Once you're done creating your API key, all you got to do is put in your API key and secret right here and name your wallet anything that you would like. Once you've done that, simply click on import your transactions. Now sit back and relax while Kryptos synchronizes with your Binance account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any queries, any questions whatsoever, you can let us know down in the comment sections, or you can reach out to us at support@kryptos.io. We will be more than happy to help you out with anything. Now in the next video, we'll check out different transaction types and how to edit them. Until then, bye for now.